Hey gang, Matt the Helpful Home Inspector. We're at a home over here in Wisconsin today. This house isn't that old. The house isn't new either. There's been some remodeling. The remodeling was not done by a professional. And sometimes when you get the urge to do your own remodeling, you might want to take a second and think about it, okay? Because if you don't know about a part of the house that you're entering into remodeling, you may cause damage to your house that is going to exceed any dollar amounts that a contractor that knows about these things could have prevented and done better work for you. So sometimes you doing DIY does not save you money. Sometimes DIY does not save you money. Now here, this looks like a homeowner job. So this is somebody that probably was bored during COVID or something and kind of went at their house and started doing their own remodeling. So they wanted to put a shower in. There's a new stand-up shower, newer, in the master bathroom. But they cut right through that joist. Now that joist is not resting on anything other than the beam to the left of it, and it goes all the way over to the outside wall over here. So the joist is not being supported by anything. There's gonna be a lot of weight in that shower with the water and the humans, right? And the tile work that was put in there and all that kind of stuff. And they cut all but, 2.5 inches of that joist. They use tape at their joints to hold PVC together. Because they didn't put in a proper trap, they added in an air admittance valve at least, so somebody told them about that, hopefully. But yeah, just destroying your house by doing this kind of stuff, folks. Yes, there are other joists, but you need all of them. You don't just need some of them to support your house. So please, if you're gonna do DIY, make sure you do the learning that needs to go along with it. Now you guys, when it comes to home repairs, I'm not saying you always have to hire professionals, okay? There are things that you can do as a homeowner yourself, and that's perfectly fine, right? But there's other parts of your house when it comes to like structure and electrical and gas that you probably should be avoiding doing much with, because there are a lot of unknowns that your average layman person doesn't know about, okay? And if you don't take the time to do the learning to learn about these things, you're going to cause damage to your house, and it will probably exceed the dollars that it would have cost you to hire a professional in the first place, okay? Because lots of times those guys now have to come in and repair what you screwed up and then do it right in the first. They have to do it right? They got to fix it. They got to do it correctly. Nonetheless, you guys remember, the better you take care of your house, better it's going to take care of you. Don't do that, all right? If you have an inkling of going to do DIY, make sure you do some learning, all right? We'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great one.